Hi everyone. Today Jordan is gonna be making some vegan pancakes for us for breakfast, and we took everything out already. She has her recipe back here. So basically she's gonna mix the dry ingredients first and then the wet ingredients, mix it up, and then she'll combine it, and then you have your pancake mixture. And then she's gonna make them, and she's been making these for months now, and they just keep getting better and better and better and better. And we also have some chocolate chips back here that she's gonna add to them, and it just makes it all much better. Are you ready? So she's already got the dry ingredients in here, which is 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and she's about to add the 3 tablespoons of cane brown sugar. Go ahead, baby. And then from there, she's gonna whisk it all together. And then she's gonna start doing her wet ingredients. And she normally does this by herself, you guys. She's not a baby no more. My baby's growing up. I'm so proud of her. And these are so easy to make. It's so easy. And it's stuff that you probably already have in your pantry too. Alright, so she's moving on, and we're gonna start doing the wet ingredients, which is 1 cup of almond or soy milk. So it's just whatever we're using, soy milk, whatever non-dairy milk you want to use. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. That was 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I will write the recipe down below so you can just screenshot it and save it once it's down there. Now she's gonna mix the wet ingredients up.
Ready?
Yeah. Put the wet ingredients in there. And this is for 1 batch, which makes how many pancakes, Vamos?
About 12.
Makes about 12 regular sized pancakes. And if you want more pancakes, then you can always double the ingredients. Once you have it all smooth, as soon as you can get it, yes, the chocolate chips in there, yummy. And as you can see, my kid likes to go overboard.
Yes, I do.
Okay, Jesus. Okay, and then you just put your heat to medium, about medium heat. And once it warms up enough, you start putting it in there just like you would regular pancakes.
It's so hard to get. Oh.
And if you've never made pancakes, it's basically the same thing. You wait for it to do the little bubblies. You see all the little bubbles? Once the whole thing is bubbling, you flip it over. And like I said, guys, she'll do this on her own. And she loves baking. Right? Yeah. And she loves watching those baking shows too, like Nella and all these different shows that we watch on Netflix.
It's gonna take a long time.
Why?
Because
20 minutes later.
Alright, you guys, we're done. Or should I say Jordan's done. And this batch, or this recipe, actually makes 7 pancakes. As you can see.
it's an 8, actually.
But you can't. But what can they do, mamas?
What?
What can they do to make more? They can double it, right?
Yes.
They can double the recipe. And so she likes hers plain. This one's for Aria. We gotta do little pieces. And then Kenneth likes peanut butter and agave. And this is what we use instead of honey or syrup. And then I like mine either plain, but I added some fruits on there. Alright, you guys. Thank you, Jordan, for breakfast.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more.